Hey learner, this is Nilesh Porate. In previous video, we saw that how to use the SQL injection in PHP code. So in this video, we are going to concentrating on making our application a little bit more secure by encrypting the password. So we are going to convert your password long and we are going to make that possible with the numbers and symbols for the users. So by using the crypt function along with just a password, we'll create a combination of characters. So this function is encrypt the string. So here we open the Google and type here the crypt function in PHP. So see, this is your the first site crypt. So click here php.net. Okay, so this is a PHP official website. So this is the use of a crypt function. So see here, this is a description. So this string is the parameter. So this salt is the optional. Okay, and your return type is your the string. So crypt function will return a hash string using the standard Unix DES based algorithm or alternative algorithm that may be available on the system. So the salt parameter is optional. However, crypt create a weak hash without the salt. So PHP 5.6 or later version, so this e-notice error without it. Make sure to specify a strong enough salt for the better security. So now our PHP version is that the 7.0. So this is not an issue. So see here, there are the many salt parameters here. Crypt std.des. So this is the DES algorithm. So this is the crypt ext.des. This is the extended DES algorithm. Crypt md5. So this is the md5 hashing algorithm. Then crypt blowfish. So this is the blowfish algorithm. Here we use like this way character for your the 2-digit cost parameters. Then this is the SHA algorithm. This is the SHA 512 algorithm. So all these algorithms are the cryptography related, means they are used to combine the string and generate a one secure string, which are very complicated to hack to someone. Okay. So there are the many encryption and the decryption algorithm, but see here in PHP, these functions are used only for a encryption algorithm. So see here, as PHP 5.3, PHP contain its own implementation and will use that if the system lack of support for one or more of the algorithm. And there is one more notice here. See here, there is no decrypt function since crypt uses a one-way algorithm. Okay, so that's why this function is used for the password purpose. Okay, so save the password in encrypted format. There is no need to decryption. So these are the some examples here. So in this example, we use the blowfish algorithm. So see here again. Here we use this crypt blowfish. So these are the some starting 2-digit cost parameters. So see here, this is one example here. Going to this site. So see here, blowfish. So this is a crypt. So this is your the string Rasmus Ledov. So this is the founder of PHP. Then here starting with $2A07. So this is your the string. Use some silly string for salt, and there is one more dollar. Okay. So we encrypt this Rasmus Ledov string by using this security string parameter and generate a one encrypted format string. So see here, like this way, this is your the output. So this string length is very long, so that's why they are very difficult to track your the password or the hack your the password. Okay, so let's go into program mode. We use this function here. So again, this is your the create function. So going to here db function. So this is your the record inserted function. So we use this function in this program. So these two functions are used in a SQL injection purpose. So we have already saw in previous video. So we use this script function for only password variable. So before going to apply this script function, so first we declare some variables. Hash format is equal to, for example, $2y $10 again dollar. Okay, there is a one more string here, for example salt. So here, for example, I use some crazy string 22. Okay, so this is just 22 length string. So see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So here we add two character strings. Okay, so this is a 22 length string. Now we concat these two strings. So see here, hash string is equal to, this is a hash format dot salt. Okay, then your new password is equal to, we use the crypt function crypt, and first parameter is your the original password, and this is your the hash string. Okay, so save here these changes. So going to this create function. So again there is a one minor change in your database. So going to this PHP admin. Okay, so this is your the table structure. Okay, ID, username, password. So see your password length is that the only 32. So here we need to change this length. So here, so see this is your database demo app. This is your the user table. So going to this user column section. Okay, so here we select this password row or click here this change action. Okay, so see here. So here we change the length of password is that 255. Okay, because after encryption your password length is very large. So here we set the maximum length is that the 255. So save here. Okay, so this is your the password. Again click here this user table. Okay, these are the data. Now here, so we insert one record here. For example, your username is that, for example, this is a technology. Our password is that, for example, ABCD. Create. So record inserted. So see here, we refresh this page. So see this is your the encrypted form password. Okay, so this length is very large. So see here, original length is that the 60. Okay. So like this way we encrypt your password into the database. By using this cryptography or the encrypted related function, your data is little more secure compared to your original data. So students, test this code on your machine. So in next video we will learn about the session and the cookies. Okay, so till if you have any queries, then comment on the query in comment box. Likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.